Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. I make tons of videos on lifestyle, DIYs, things like that. Like and subscribe if you enjoy this video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you what I got for Christmas. So let's just get right into it. So the first category I'm going to show is the Friends category. If you've ever seen the TV show Friends, I'm literally obsessed with it. So I got tons of Friends stuff for Christmas. So the first thing I got is this Friends game. It's the one with the ball, which I think this one's pretty interesting because you don't have to know Friends and love Friends to play this. It's more like whenever you throw the ball, do a big fake laugh. So it's something that everyone can play. I am really excited to play this with some people. If I had friends, which I don't, but it's okay. The next Friends themed item that I got is this Friends trivia game. So this one you do have to know Friends in order to play, which I only know a couple people that watch it as frequently as I do, but maybe I can get them to play around with it. The next item is this Friends puzzle, which I'm really excited about because I love doing puzzles, and normally my parents would always get me one every year, but the past couple years they haven't. So my boyfriend's mom actually got this for me. She got me all of these Friends items that you're seeing so far. But I am really excited to put this together, and I might glue it together and put it up on the wall. The next item is this little Friends lanyard. So I actually had one just like this, but it broke. So this is a good thing because it replaces my other one. And the last thing that my boyfriend's mom got me were oh, never mind. That's not the last thing. There's one more thing after this. So next I got these Friends socks. And then the last thing that my boyfriend's mom got me, and probably one of my favorite items that I've gotten in total, is this Friends letter board, which it's super cool and I'm excited. I don't know exactly where I want to put it, if I want to put it in my room or my salon room, and I can put some of my pricing on here, but it's just so cute. And there's a bunch of letters on the back. And then the last Friends themed item that I got, I hope that it was, oh no, there's more. Oh my gosh. I also got this Friends notebook and this little Central Perk eyeglass holder, and these came from my mom. Next category, I guess I'm just gonna go by who gave me what. So my boyfriend got me the SpongeBob Battle for Bikini Bottom game, for the Nintendo Switch. I already started playing it and I'm obsessed with it. This is something that I played in my childhood on the PS2, and so I feel like I'm reliving my childhood. So the next item I got is also from my boyfriend, and it's funny because I remember mentioning that I wanted this before, and I never really thought much of it because I think we were just walking through the grocery store and I was like, oh, those are cool. So it's this the blanket hoodie, if you've seen them before. It's literally huge and it's super heavy, but it is so warm and just cozy, and it's perfect for just snuggling up on the couch. So I would definitely recommend anyone to buy that if they've ever thought about it. So the next items I'm going to show you I got from my parents. Hard rock is a huge thing for my family. I got some guitar picks because I do play guitar, and there's just a bunch of different colors and they're super neon and cute. I also got some charm bracelets, so you can collect charms and add them onto this. And then I believe this is the last Hard Rock thing that I got, but I just got this hat, and I just like how casual it looks like it could be. I could probably wear this with sweatpants. And it's just a super comfy hat. I just realized it's not adjustable. Oh no, it fits, it's okay. So I got a bunch of different socks, fuzzy socks, and these are all animal themed ones, I think. Or Christmas? No, Christmas themed ones. Little penguins, and then I really like these ones. Sorry if it's loud because I'm these ones are all animal themed. So we got, I think this is a sheep or something. I kind of wish that it said, because I don't know what this is. I think it's a cupcake or ice cream, so I guess that's not an animal. We got a panda, llama, cat, and looks like a little chihuahua. You can't really see it behind me, but like this whole wall right here, I'm attempting to make it full of dream catchers, and I just think it looks super cool with all the different sizes and different colors and styles. So right now I have like half of my wall filled. So I got a bunch of dream catchers. So the first one I have to show is this, I don't even know how to explain it, but they're like wires and they're really hard. But it's very like unique, and that's kind of what I was looking for, because a lot of the dream catchers I have now are pretty standard. And then I got this tiny little one. I also have this one. So this one's super pretty. And then it's also got like, I think this is the Tree of Life, if you can see it. There's this one. It's kind of messed up right now, but it's fine. And then this white one, which I really like because I don't have a lot of like basic colored ones. So I like the white because I think it's going to stand out a lot on the wall. And then I also got this one. So this one, it kind of like stands up here, and then it's got like this piece this way. And then all around is some rainbow. It's really hard for me to show this, but it just kind of twirls around. And lastly, for the dream catchers, now these ones are super cool. So my mom got these off of Etsy. I will have to figure out who the girl was because she handmade them and she did such a beautiful job, even with the packaging. And she also wrapped them all up individually super nicely. So these ones are the fun ones. So this one is a little owl, which is so freaking cute. It's just adorable. Like, I don't even know if I want to put it on my dream catcher wall or like separately, just because like I just want to stare at it like all by itself. The next one is, I think this is another Tree of Life or whatever. I don't know. But it's just this, I really like the greens in it. The beads are super pretty. They're kind of like rainbowy. It's very dainty. She just did a really good job making these overall. Lastly, we have this one, which is literally, I think, the coolest. It matches my bed and everything, so it's perfect for my room. But this one is an owl, and it's got like the full body and everything with it. So let me see if I can bring it a little bit closer so you can kind of see more. But there's just so much detail in it. It's literally gorgeous. That's all of the dream catchers I got. I know it seems like a lot, but trust me, my wall is going to be super dope. Just wait. So the box broke for these, but there are these LED lights. You can plug them into a wall. They have 8 lighting modes, so like they can flicker and twinkle and all of that. And it also came with this little remote, which I think is super cool because I can just be like on, off, instead of having to unplug and plug them in like all my other lights. They dangle down and they're these little butterflies, and I'm like, that would look so pretty in front of the Dreamcatcher wall because I have like a little ledge. So I just think I just have a vision, you know. And then a couple of other things that my parents got me. The big gift that I got this year, the place that I moved into doesn't allow me to put holes in the wall, and so the vanity mirror that I had before was one that my dad built, and it ended up putting like 6 massive holes in the wall to get it up. So I ended up getting one. I asked for one that kind of just stands on top of my vanity. It's super cool. It came with a little close-up mirror that I can use, and it also has, I think, 3 different light settings. So there's warm, neutral, and cool. You can also dim it, so you can adjust exactly how harsh or how light you want the lighting to be. Like if you just want it on like for mood lighting, or you know. And then it also has Bluetooth, so I can hook up my music to it and play music from it. And then I can also plug my phone in. And then the last couple things that my parents got me that I don't have to show, or that I am just gonna insert clips of. Okay, so backstory real quick. I have a bar in my basement that my dad built for me. He called it Sids and Suds. So they ended up getting this cute little mat that I can put on my table, on the bar table. And it just says Sids and Suds. And then they also got me and my boyfriend these little mojito glasses, and then they also have recipes in them so that we can try different things out, so that's super fun. And then the last thing that I got, this is from my brother and sister-in-law. So this is from a website called Natural Life, and it's this little box, and it says, You make the world a better place just by being in it. And so you open up the box, and inside it's this happy box. So it comes with a wall hook, a sticker, half boho bando, cozy socks, tassel clip, small notebook, canvas key fob, and a wishing bracelet. So it comes with all of this stuff in here, and I haven't really even looked over any of it yet. But with this box, it says, fill your happy box with, so like once you're done, like once you take everything out, this box says, fill your happy box with everything that makes you feel happy. Store special notes and stories that remind you of all the good things in life that happen every day. Soon your box will be full of sunshine, so when you're feeling down, you can look through your box and smile. So I just think that is so freaking cute. Like, how beautiful, you know? Like, that's just the sweetest little message ever. So I believe that is everything. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and comment down below your favorite Christmas item that you gave and or received this year. Or even just like tell me a couple things that you got that made you happy and that made you smile. I would love to know. You can also follow me on my social medias. I have 2 different Instagram accounts. My first one is for my work, so it's all of my hair stuff because I am a hairstylist, so if you want to take a look at all of that. And then also my personal account, which gives you a little bit more of a behind the scenes of my life. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.